Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing a budget-friendly super zoom camera that is very popular among beginners and travel users, the Kodak Pixpro AZ405BK. Let's begin with what kind of camera this is. This is a bridge camera, meaning fixed lens, DSLR-like zoom range, simpler operation compared to interchangeable lens cameras, keycap 1 sensor and image resolution. The camera features 20 megapixel sensor, designed for daylight photography. This is ideal for travel photos, family events, casual photography. Low light performance is limited compared to DSLRs, which is expected at this price. Keycap 240x optical zoom, key highlight. This is the strongest feature. 40x optical zoom. Covers wide to super telephoto range. This makes it excellent for wildlife, distant subjects, moonshots, basic level, sports from far away. Keycap 3 wide angle and stabilization. 24mm wide angle lens. Optical image stabilization, OIS. OIS is critical at high zoom, reducing blur caused by handshake. Pause button, realistic pause. Now pause here. A 40x zoom without stabilization would be useless. OIS makes this camera practical. Keycap 4 video and vlogging use. 1080p Full HD video. 3-inch LCD screen. This is suitable for beginner YouTube videos, travel vlogs, educational content. However, it does not have 4K, and autofocus in video is basic. Keycap 5 ease of use. Simple menus. Auto shooting modes. Lightweight design. Very beginner friendly, especially for users upgrading from smartphones. Keycap 6 limitations, honest review. No 4K video. Small sensor, weaker low light performance. Fixed lens, no upgrades. White heavy checkmark, final verdict. The Kodak Pixpro AZ405 is a great entry-level super zoom camera for users who want long zoom without learning complex photography. Hey guys, welcome back.